If you're having issues with the ChatGPT voice conversation option, where it's lagging, not working properly, or if you have other issues, then I'll show you 4 different solutions to this problem. So just follow my steps. The first thing which I'll do is to restart the app, and you can do that by opening your app drawer. Then swipe on the app from the bottom to the top, and the app is now completely closed on our phone. Your job now is to open the app and see if the voice conversation feature works. Another thing is to give ChatGPT microphone access, because if this is off, then that's why we're having issues. I'll open the settings on my phone, scroll to the bottom of this page until I see the Apps section. This will open a list of all the apps which I have installed on my phone, and I'll open the ChatGPT app from the list. You can see that my microphone was off for ChatGPT, and this means that the app didn't have access to our microphone, and this is what caused the issue. So enable the microphone in the settings. Solution number 3 is to simply go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and then see if ChatGPT is updated to the latest version. If it's not, just update the app and then check if it did fix the voice feature. The last fix which I have for you is to offload the app, and this can fix the issue in a lot of cases, not just for the voice conversation, but for other problems which you may have with ChatGPT. I'm going to open the settings, then hop over to the General section. Tap on iPhone Storage, and then find ChatGPT on the app list. You will have this Offload App option, and that will essentially clear the cache files and all of the unnecessary data which your app may have. After the app offloads, reinstall it by tapping on this button here. Wait a couple of minutes until the process finishes, and this step will essentially refresh your application and force update it to the latest version. Tell me in the comments down below if any of these steps worked for you, and I will see you in the next video.